Hi guys, and welcome to VR Essentials, where we talk about the practical uses of virtual reality. If you're new to the channel, very nice to meet you, and a huge welcome back to our regular viewers and subscribers also. Now today we're going to do the unboxing of the Mammut VR grips, and I'm very excited, only because, as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm really unhappy with the current controllers of the HP Reverb G2, simply because they're not well rounded on both sides. So especially at the battery part, it feels very pointy at the top. So when you grab the controller quite, with a bit of force under, some stressful situations, for example, you're trying to throw a grenade at someone in contractors, for example, it can actually feel very uncomfortable inside the palm of the hand. It can actually hurt a little bit for me anyway. And also trying to aim perfectly is just really difficult when comparing to other controllers on other VR headsets. So I'm really hoping that the Mammut VR grips can solve this problem for me. All right, so the first thing is to take a look at what's inside of this box. Ooh. I don't know where it went. So we have the Mammut packaging here with all the stuff inside. We can see some design there. Obviously it doesn't look like an HP Reverb G2 controller, which is a shame, I have to say, but all good. And then when we open it up, so we have some laces, which will be what I guess attaches the grip. We have one grip. We have the things that we put around the hand. And we have a second grip. And there's also some screws. I'm not quite sure what the screws are for, but there might be some use later on, who knows. And we also have the very cool Mammut Velcro to go on it. All right, I'm gonna put them on the controllers now. Now, if you want me to do a separate video with how to put them on to the actual grips, please leave a comment below. I'll be very happy to do that video for you. But now, I'll see you in just a second. All right, so time to put these bad boys on. Let me put one on first, and then let's put the other one on. Here we go, it's there. So far, okay, I can put my thumb there, my thumb on the button, so good. Here we go, so you can see on the camera there. So basically my hand is there, so it's going to be very interesting, several different things. First thing, whether this is going to warm up my hand a lot, because it feels quite warm at the moment on both sides. So am I going to sweat, all these kind of things. So make sure you're part of the notification squad, because I will of course upload that video, and then when you click on enable bell after you subscribe, YouTube will tell you in your feed, in your video feed, boom, oh, Mammut VR grips review by VR Essentials, maybe in 2 or 3 weeks time, so I have enough time to properly use it and review it and give you a good video. Okay, so make sure you are part of that notification squad. The other thing that's going to be interesting to feed back to you is whether it's annoying to remove it, to change the batteries, because of course, HP, when you do a lot of VR, it eats up those batteries after every few days, especially if you're not using 1.2 volts, 1.5 volts. If you're using the 1.2 volts, it's going to eat them up even more faster, right? So that's going to be another interesting thing. And then finally, also a quick tip here, because I used to have these when I used to have the touch controllers back in the day before I sold all my Oculus Quests. Basically, if this is too tight, this part here, well, what will happen after 3-4 weeks? It's not straight away, it takes time. You go about doing your day, doing whatever things you're doing, and suddenly you might find some numbness in your hand, or some cramping, or some uncomfortable situation. That is because you put these too tight and you play too long with them. So make sure it's nice and snug and not tight. Your hand should not be completely like this. Okay, there should be some space. So, make sure of that it's not too tight. Otherwise it can cut the blood circulation on this part of your hand. Okay, just a tip there. But man, I'm super psyched. I'm really looking forward to see whether I can throw some hoops or throw some grenades at people without feeling any uncomfort whatsoever, which I've been feeling so far without these MacBook grips. So I'm very excited to try these out. Oof. So guys, let's together thank Mammut VR Grips for sending us these. Make sure that you click like button under the video above the comments, because it's really cool that they send us this stuff so I can review it, educate you about what's around and whether you should go and purchase this stuff for the HP Reverb G2. It's really cool of them, so make sure you send them some love and click like at the bottom of this video. And guys, thank you so much also for going to comment and viewing all the previous videos. Without your support, I wouldn't really have the motivation to keep doing these videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Ciao, au revoir.